Alright, y'all. We gotta talk like this, y'all, because we're in the hearts of Kentucky. We just picked something up. You guys will see it once we get to a gas station. Some idiot forgot to put gas in the Tahoe before he took it. So we got her. She's above the roof. It's above the roof. Whatever it is, you know, I can't tell you guys what it is. But it's going to help us do something. So, catch you guys all at the gas station. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like, basically. We're having some problems with this fish finder. Might not be working. So we're going to test her out. Could just be some loose wires. Could be, you know, just test. Very neat. So, it's grounded, or it's getting positive. So let's see if it's getting grounded. Come on. So let's see if it's grounded now. It's grounded, so it should work. What up, dog? Oh, there you go. What do you think of it? You can sit right there. What do you think of the new?
You can sit right there with all the screws and nuts and bolts.
Alright. Plan B.
Hey, Nikki, why are you hooking the battery? I don't think I should be any part of this.
Why?
Because you're putting a big battery on.
Oh, don't worry. I already exceeded the weight limit.
Yeah, that's what I was a little concerned about. This is.
I already exceeded
What
it,
is
so
clicking?
battery charger. That I don't think is working.
Which?
What do you think of the kayaky?
This is a normal size kayak.
Yeah, I know.
This is like a mean-sized kayak, not a U-sized kayak.
See if this works now. Hey, we're getting somewhere. It beeped. You want to take a seat in it?
No, thank you. I'm good.
Came with a life jacket.
Porta potty thing.
Tell you the truth, I really have no idea what it's for. Like, it goes all the way up in there, all the way back here. Like,
In case you try. I don't know.
I don't. So, alright, so it's working. You guys see that? It's working.
How do you fit in this?
Here, I'll show you.
Have you already done that?
Yeah.
Can you get in and out?
Yeah. What are you doing?
I don't want to get squished, see? There's things.
See, it's just a little,
Is it gonna float?
I hope so, because I didn't check if it had holes in it.
Really? You didn't think to... You realize that means like there's like a big like burn hole in the bottom
No,
of
I
it. You just...
flipped it upside down. So it might be a little pin hole. I was hoping this would stay a little bit better.
Well, Ella was hoping the peanut butter pie was going to be done before she had to go to bed. It is not. It's supposed to set for 2 hours.
But look, like, it has rod holders right
I
here.
don't even know what that thing is.
This? That's a rod holder. You put your pole in there. You don't have to hold it.
You put your pole in something?
You can go. You can yak.
Who's gonna come save you when you flip over multiple times? Go somewhere shallow the first time. Like very shower. I don't under. You're not gonna be able to bring like a big battery. You're gonna sink. I don't understand what the big battery is for.
So I can find the drone.
You're gonna have to have a smaller battery.
Well, I don't think this can run off of 6 volts because I have that little one. But I had it all the way up there because if I have it back here, I'm gonna be a California squat truck, you know. So I have that nose heavy.
When are you doing this?
Next weekend.
Oh, okay. You won't have my kid. I just want to make sure there was no kids involved in the making of
No kids in the making of this video. But yeah, so you know, goes extreme kayaking now behind the big boat.
Can I just pull you in something in the snow?
Yeah, if I want to put a hole in it. I'm gonna use this. I'm using this. I'm going duck hunting with this thing. Got camo it out a little.
Okay.
So I could put my. Nah, that won't work. So I just put my gun in there and use it as a gun holder, but I guess it won't work. So we got her down.
Stop. You are going to make things start falling.
What?
You.
That's alright. My phone already shut off once on me.
What is so little that fits in that hole?
The jack shaft for the crotch rocket John boat.
Oh, okay. It's
Yeah.
in there.
Alright, so we got. Even came with a life jacket.
Yeah, never mind.
So we got her done. I don't think
What's the hole for?
it's so you can drain it. And when he
Oh, so when you capsize and you take on all that water, you can just dump it out later.
Here's the first question. Like, come back here and look at this. Explain why these holes
What holes?
should be all the way through. It goes all the way through to the bottom. Like, water's gonna get in that and come up in here, especially when you overload it with meat.
I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. Don't sink. Go shallow.
Well, we gotta go shallow, then we gotta go deep, then we gotta go back shallow. Like, what are these for? Just holders?
Maybe you should Google this.
No Googling for us. So, you guys, we're gonna do this next weekend. So, if you guys have any suggestions,
Hey, don't forget. What do we have next weekend? What do we have?
a funeral.
Really? That's what you called our wedding? Nice to know, honey.
Part of me died in that.
Yeah, I haven't killed you yet. It's alright.
All right, so it's a lifetime, you know. So you know what it's gonna be around for.
Is it made in the U.S.? Designed in the U.S.
Design made in China.
Hole was made in the U.S.
Sit in it, see what you think. Cause my feet are way up here.
I'm sure.
Sit in, flip that forward.
I'm not getting back up. I'm old.
I'll just flip that up.
Oh, and my ass?
Hold on.
Okay. How do you keep telling me to hold on, but then want me to do it?
There.
How wet is my butt?
It's not gonna be wet. See if. See, we could go kayaking. We could be the new yakkers. What do you think?
I don't like water.
This is the size that you need.
That's what I said.
Go hand over go. So what do you think of the new purchase?
I think I'm stuck.
New purchase.
You said?
Huh?
Butt.
My butt's wet too. But, you know, it's going to be.
See, that it needs to be mine and you're too big for this one. You need a different one. It's going to be destroyed. So you're still going to
Why? Why? Why do you think it's going to be destroyed? Just because it has a big old battery on the front doesn't mean it's going to be destroyed, okay?
There's wires. It's supposed to be a kayak.
It's temporarily wired for our drone recovery mission because I don't want to litter in people's ponds.
Drone is like 6 years old, honey.
I know, but I don't want to litter
And I
in
bought it from
people's.
Walmart
I don't
or
want
Amazon. Wait, which one did you lose? Big one?
Yeah, I don't want to litter in people's ponds because that makes you look like a Louisville hood rat.
Which
So
one
anyone-
is it in?
Wallers.
Cornfieldy dead fish?
No, other pond. The one pond where we call all the fish. That's why I want to get that. One with old people. I know, that's why I want to get Operation Save the Drone, recover the drone, not save it because it's junk. It's done for. Well, I mean, it was probably made in China, so maybe if we put it in rice, it'll. You guys stay tuned. We're gonna put that thing in rice and see if it works.
Oh my god, I'm leaving you.
Because if it works, after getting soaked in rice,
Sorry, I forgot to have him take that
what?
up.
Huh?
Then
Yeah. So, here we go. We are going to save the drone. So, you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys go in the comments. Tell me what I should put on this to Operation Save the Drone a little bit better. I thought about putting a trolling motor on because I'm fat and lazy. I don't want to paddle.
And you wonder why I said things are going to be messed up. What did you... It is a kayak, which means we're supposed to get that gut workout and use the paddle. Not, I need to keep my beer belly and I'm going to troll it along.
Sounds better. Less work, more drinking. Mountain Dews. So, you guys let me know what you guys should put on here, what we should put on here. But if not, this is how we're going to go. We're going to go just like that. Hopefully we can find that drone on the Garmin, and I got to figure out a way I can hook it or something so I can. It's all plastic. I can't take the magnet and go magnet fishing for it because it's all plastic. So I didn't think of that until now. So I guess if we find it, we can use. I'll build something. We'll put like 4 hooks together and make a treble hook out of it.
We got some golf tees and no one even goes.
No, I'm going golfing. We're going golfing. Extreme golfing off the kayak. I don't know how well that would work out, but we're going extreme golfing off the kayak. So, that being said, thanks for watching. We'll keep you guys all on.
Out here on the Chattahoochee River.